Hello, everybody. My name is Diego Lerma,
And I'm Thomas Lathrop.
and today you guys are in for quite a treat because we're going to go over the exciting combustion engine.
Have you ever had car trouble and you don't know what's going on with your vehicle? Well, hopefully today, class, this video can inform you and make you more knowledgeable about the inner workings of your vehicle's engine, so that the next time you have car trouble, you can better know how to prevent and alleviate it.
Now, I've been driving since I was 16 years old, but Thomas here, he's an air engine mechanic. So tell us a little about that, Thomas.
I enlisted 4 years in the United States Navy as an aviation machinist mate working on helicopter jet engines, and I was stationed in Norfolk, Virginia.
Wow, that sounds an amazing experience. So I know what you guys are thinking. Jet engine, helicopter engine, what similarities can they have? Well, today we're going to learn that they have a lot more similarities than you think. So, what is it, Thomas?
The internal combustion engine, invented in 1859 by Nicholas Otto, would burn fuel within the engine proper instead of in an external furnace, like with a steam engine.
So steam engines are an external. Oh no, are an external furnace, but the combustion engine is internal.
Correct.
Oh, that's good to know. Very good to know. So, some examples of the internal combustion engine are motorcycles, automobiles, and just like we said, jet engines. So, but unless you were thinking of some of this electric crap, it's not, that does not have a combustion engine. But I do dig the pink color though. Is that your type of pink, Thomas?
No, not really.
He secretly likes it. So how does it work?
So you have 4 key components in an internal combustion engine. You have your intake, which sucks in air, and then that flows to the compressor, which condenses the air and mixes it with fuel, which then flows to the igniter, where it is exploded. And that subsequent exhaust is either recycled throughout the system to work things like bleed air and other stuff like that, or it is pushed out the back through the exhaust pipe.
Wow, that sounds like a lot of stuff is going on in a little engine.
Yes, but it's pretty simple actually. We have a good phrase for remembering it: suck, squeeze, bang, and blow.
And I know what you guys are thinking, but I'm not going to say it.
So now we're going to get a bit more hands-on with this. As you can see here, we have the intake with the radiator cooling the air. Then we have the compressor here, where the air gets mixed with the fuel. Here's the igniter, where the explosion happens, and then the exhaust is moved all throughout this, through all the wires and tubes, and out the back of the engine.
Wow. So as we know, a motorcycle engine and a car engine are very similar, except on a motorcycle it's a lot more exposed, so we can see a lot better. Let's take a look. So right here is where we have our air intake, and the air intake comes through, compresses, then combust, and the exhaust takes it out. So as the favorite saying goes, suck, squeeze, bang, and blow. And after all that magic happens, so as you can see, cars and motorcycles, even jet engines are very similar, as because they all have they all have the similarity of a combustion engine. So let's review what the combustion engine is.
So, in review, we went over the 4 key components of the internal combustion engine and how they all work together to create energy. The first of those components is the intake, where the air is sucked into the engine, the compression, where the air is squeezed and mixed with fuel, the combustion, where the fuel-air mix is ignited, and the exhaust, where the air from the explosion is recycled or pushed out.
Nicholas Otto invented the combustion engine in 1859. Thank goodness for that, or I'll be riding a bike. I think I'll stick to a combustion engine.
You're doing a brilliant job!
For all those wondering, I didn't hire a stuntman. That was actually me. Alright, so we went over the 4 key components of the combustion engine.
And yeah, hopefully this information can prove useful to you. If not, at least it can prove entertaining.
Alright guys, once again, my name is Diego Lerma.
And I'm Thomas Lathrop.
And we will catch you guys later.